Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Fiat 500 headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground and switching off the engine, then open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Wear gloves to avoid touching the bulb glass and set up a light to see connections clearly. Keep a small tray for screws and note connector orientation so reassembly is simple and correct. Begin by exposing the rear of the headlight and removing any protective caps or panels. Carefully unplug the wiring harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid damage. Twist the bulb counterclockwise or release the retaining clip, depending on your Fiat 500 model, and gently withdraw the old bulb. Inspect the socket and connectors for corrosion and clean contacts, if necessary, before fitting the new bulb for a reliable connection. Hold the new bulb by the base and position it so alignment tabs slot into the housing correctly. Insert the bulb straight in, then secure it by twisting clockwise or fastening the retaining clip until snug. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly and test the headlight function before replacing protective covers. If the beam seems misaligned, adjust the headlight aim per your Fiat 500 manual for proper road illumination and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.